planning to buy a house this year, going to use a loan to finance it, we've got the number one thing that you need to do to set yourself up for success. Casey, what is the number one thing someone needs to do?
Get pre-approved at a minimum.
Pre-approved at a minimum. So tell me why you said at a minimum, and what are the options ranging around pre-approved?
Yeah, so I would say first thing when you're looking to buy a house, make sure you talk to your agent and get a good lender recommendation.
All lenders are not created equal. If you don't listen to anything else, that is the truth. They are not all created equal.
Yes, so make sure you're using a good lender. And the lender's going to go through a couple different steps. The first step is getting pre-qualified,
Okay.
which is basically just running you as a buyer. It's just running your credit score. That's the minimum.
Pre-qualified.
Doesn't really work anymore these days.
No.
We need a minimum of a pre-approval, which is where you as a buyer turn in documents about your taxes, about your pay stubs, things like that, and get the full pre-approval showing that you can afford the loan you're going to take out on the house.
Yeah, so the difference there, the lender has actually looked at your documentation and can say, yes, you are pre-approved. But that is still 2021 pre-approval. What is the 2022 version of a pre-approval?
So we want you as a buyer to find a lender that will pre-underwrite you. So they'll go from all the way from step one to the final step before you even find the house that you're going to close on. In today's market, you have to stand out in every way you can. And so that makes you stand out because the sellers don't have to worry about your loan falling apart. It's already been fully underwritten. It's already good to go. And then you can make your offer competitive in a couple other ways as well.
Yeah, because from the seller standpoint, usually the two things they care about most are price.
Yep.
I mean, if you offer $100,000 lower,
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter. But the other is risk. And if the loan is already pre-underwritten, the risk is very similar to even a cash offer in that case, because the lender's saying, hey, this is 100% good to go.
It's basically the same as cash. And that means that you can be competitive in a lot of ways on your offer by showing that and being able to lower, if not eliminate, all your contingencies.
It is possible to buy a house. You just have to have the right strategies, the right team to help you do it. We're helping people do it every day. We'd love to help you. Casey, thanks.
Yeah, talk to you soon.